Good morning, Nilo. Today, I will show you how to use the live scan before you scan the area. By using the live scan, you can pinpoint the possible area with pressure. So, we have two software who have a live scan. It is the Conrad software, and the one is the monitoring software. In your tablet, I have another two software, which is the Conrad and the monitoring software beside the GR Detect. Today I will show you the feature within the Conrad software. So here it is. As you can see ground scan and the live scan. So when you connect this one via Bluetooth and the connection, but first you need to make sure connection already connected. So you need to make sure that's connected before you press the Bluetooth and then the connection, but make sure your Bluetooth is on. Same with the other one, the monitoring software. So you just press the live scan. You can choose pinpoint or live scan. So this one is already connected. So you need to calibrate. You just point to the north or to the south, then press calibration. But this one you already calibrate. The sensor of this one, including yours, can detect all buried metallic object. Even the Pozo Negro, from the comfort room, the septic tank can also detect using this one, the live scan. And the old buried object, because of in a long period of time they produce ionization. This one detect ionization. So when I point this one, as you see, video mo nga to. Malapit ka dito. It doesn't detect anything, only green. You see? But when I go near in something that has ionic, metallic ionic, see nothing? Nothing. It cannot detect anything. Sige, video mo ako. But here, it detects something. It detects void. When light blue, it detects void. Yeah, that's void. Because under here has a septic tank. It detects void. When I go near here, see? Nothing. But when I go near here, yeah, it detects something. See? Detect something underground. Void.
Maybe there's a hole.
But the calibration must be right because it will produce an error output. So by calibration, see, when I calibrate, put to the press calibration, then I put there, means the one that will use it is the void, the blue or light blue. See, when I press calibrate, that's one you find. But when you seek metallic, like this one, when I calibrate, so it find metallic. See? Find metallic. See? It's all red. Because that's what I calibrated it. See? When I point to when I point up, nothing. Nothing. But here, find metallic. So it depends on your calibration. You point to the old metal, rusting, and you press calibration here, and you just put like that. it will find something metallic under. When you want to find void, you put to the something void under, then you press calibration. So when red, metallic. So that's one thing. Okay, we exit. We can use pinpoint. That's also calibration, as you see. So metallic. At other way around, void. See? So I can scan this area. So that's one trick to do when you do scanning. You use live scan. Okay? Aside from the Conrad, there's another software. The monitoring software, it has also live scan. So you can use that one. You just connect your rod. There's make sure it's your Bluetooth is on, then you enter into the software, the monitoring software. It has a live scan and scan also. Okay? Sige na yan.